Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making churros. These are the homemade churros and they are so buttery and crunchy outside and soft inside. Here we have taken some butter and water and I'm going to boil it. Guys, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share and comment and like. While my butter is getting melted, I'm going to add some vanilla essence to it, salt, and some cinnamon powder which I had made at home. Once I see that everything has melted, I'm going to add into it the flour and I will mix it with the flame on till it forms a nice and smooth dough. Now this is ready. I'm going to put off the flame and keep it aside for around 2 minutes for it to cool little bit, or else I will finish up cooking my eggs in that. In a separate bowl, I'm taking some fine sugar and I'm breaking all the lumps in the sugar and I will add to it some cinnamon powder. I'm mixing it well and keeping it aside. Now it's been around 3 minutes and now I'm adding my eggs to it. I have to at once mix the egg into the batter so that my egg doesn't get cooked at once. I am beating it well. I have used my hands to beat the mixture. You can use your stand mixer. Once it comes to this consistency, I have taken a nozzle and I am going to cut my piping bag and put in the nozzle, and into this piping bag I am going to put all my batter. This batter is too hard, so please keep more 2-3 piping bags ready. Just an extra note, please keep more 2-3 piping bags ready at the side because this mixture is very thick. So once you press it from the nozzle, the bag tends to tear. So I ended up tearing 2 to 3 bags. Now I have taken a deep saucepan and to it I am adding some oil and bringing it to a boil, and then I will make the flame slow. And to this hot oil I am adding the churros with the slow flame. You can either cut the churros with the scissor or hands, or you can even make it separate and then put it into the oil. I have to cook the churros now on a slow flame for around 8 to 10 minutes for them to cook well from inside. Each batch of these churros took for me around 10 minutes to get the nice color from outside. If we put on the high flame, the churros will get burnt outside and they will remain uncooked from inside. So it is always better to cook it on the slow flame. Once they are fried, I am going to keep them on the strainer and remove all the excess oil and then put it in my sugar mixture. You can enjoy these churros like this or by dipping it in the chocolate sauce. So I'm making a chocolate sauce now. So I have taken some chocolate chips. To this I'm going to add the hot milk cream and I will mix it in another 2 to 3 minutes and my chocolate sauce will be ready. Please enjoy this recipe and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you, share and comment.